Let me take a look. Let me take a look. You're so stubborn. You're so stubborn. Look, he has come. Look, he has come. She must be around. She must be around. I wish I were the king. I wish I were the king. It is all up to you. It is all up to you. At least don't lie. At least don't lie. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. What is new in that? What is new in that? Where had you been? Where had you been? I will text you. I will text you. Who took your book? Who took your book? It is getting dark. It is getting dark. What is it called? What is it called? I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. Who am I to speak? Who am I to speak? When did you leave? When did you leave? Why people are so? Why people are so? I lie due to fear. I lie due to fear. Where did he read? Where did he read? How did you do it? How did you do it? I still don't know. I still don't know. You're a womanizer. You're a womanizer. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. I was admiring you. I was admiring you. I called you twice. I called you twice. Fix that right now. Fix that right now. Turn up the volume. Turn up the volume. He had stood by me. He had stood by me. Let me your hand. Let me your hand. She died of cancer. She died of cancer. This book is Rahul's. This book is Rahul's. He wastes his time. He wastes his time. Whose is that whom? Whose is that whom? Keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I have sore throat. I have sore throat. I will do as you say. I will do as you say. I forgot to ask him. I forgot to ask him. Here is your wallet. Here is your wallet. You did a good job. You did a good job. Don't keep it down. Don't keep it down. I have my own ways. I have my own ways. We all are at home. We all are at home. He died of cholera. He died of cholera. He is very arrogant. He is very arrogant. Don't misguide her. Don't misguide her. Don't take my name. Don't take my name. What a coincidence. What a coincidence. I swear it is true. I swear it is true. Who is he to you? Who is he to you? What is she to you? What is she to you? He started it, sir. He started it, sir. My leg got swollen. My leg got swollen. Let's stay at home. Let's stay at home. Rohan, get them out. Rohan, get them out. She looks like you. She looks like you. Abide by the rules. Abide by the rules. I laid my condition. Thank you, please.